Are you recording, Dad?
Yes.
Time to fly! Wait a minute! You saved him! Dad, you saved him! Hi guys, it's me, Kalin, on my channel. Oh! Today I'm with my daddy. We're gonna play airplane versus car. Airplane versus motorcycle. Dad, here's your motorcycle.
Got the motorcycle.
And this is the car.
That's the car.
So
Ice monster.
So he'll have the car too. He has to try to rescue this man by trying to get him.
Who's that man? Flash Gordon?
Yeah, and I have to be an airplane. I have to try to stop him. So
okay.
Ready, steady, go. And I now I have to try to fly up and land somewhere. Land. I gotta land down. And now we have
wow, you really got the hang of that thing.
And now my daddy wins because he's not.
Isn't his room a mess?
So this time he has to like try to get him.
He needs to clean it, but he won't.
What?
What? I'm just talking to the camera.
And we're just gonna do some cool things. No toys today, no unboxing, but let me show you more cool things. These are my Freddy Fazbear. You might see them in my other videos. I was doing my act. I have Golden Freddy. Fall. He can fall. Here's the spring trap. It's broken. Right? See? And here's the Golden Freddy, guys. I have old days I got him. He's awesome. Oh my God. Guys, I'm gonna put that together. Spring trap. Why won't his hair go together? Is it because he's old?
It is. Alright, we gotta get going.
No, we don't.
Sign off.
Yes, bye. Wait, no, not bye. Not bye. We have to do something. There's my sticky man. Foxy. Now we're just gonna play the game again. And well, I built a spring trap. It might, he's not broken, I guess. I guess I just have to build him. Guys, I'm not gonna sign off yet because I kind of don't wanna. So, we'll just get a pleasure. And I'll build the spring trap later. So, let's go back to what we were doing, okay, Daddy?
My battery's gonna die.
Okay, bye. We'll play this next time.